One UI 8 is on its way to your Galaxy phone as Samsung began testing and rolling out the One UI 8 beta for S25 series in several countries like US, UK, Germany, and South Korea. The size of it is 3.38 GB in size and has a version number ending YER. It brings in the May 1st, 2025 security patches. It is coming out for unlocked Galaxy S25 series as well as Team Mobile's loader models as well. It's surprising to see US in the first rollout because normally Samsung usually gives only South Korea first, but now it seems Samsung wants to right all the wrongs it did with its botched One UI 7 rollout, and so people are not complaining. As you know, Samsung Galaxy S23 series only got One UI 7 last month, and in March the S24 series got. Samsung is now restricting the update to the Wi-Fi only models. Previously, if you were relied on your cellular data connection, you will not be able to download it. You will have to use Wi-Fi for doing the download. To enroll for it, you will need to download a Samsung Members app, sign in with your Samsung account. If you are in an eligible region, you will see the One UI 8 beta program banner on the home page, which you need to click and complete your registration. Once then, you can check for the impending update under settings, software update, download and install. Download the update and you will know what are the new features you are going to get. It doesn't seem to be a major update over One UI 7, but you will get a lot of new features.